So I got a new hairdo today. How you like it? It's all on my forehead. Looks sexy, don't it? Don't it? Creeper. It gave me a facelift too.
So lame. You're so corny. You see, she's got the ends of them. She's got them tipped. Ew, Megan. I can't breathe. Wait, keep it like that. Ow. I can't breathe. So lame. You're so lame. I'm bored. You're stupid. That was not safe. It's tearing.
No, it's not. My hair can't tear.
Girl, there is a hole there. You see this? You see the hole right
Don't be showing him my hair's fake. This is sexy.
Can I stop this?